Morning, student. Welcome to our online class. How are you? Hope all of you are very well and safe at your home. Are you not going out of your house? I am not going because I am very much afraid about this COVID-19. So, hope all of you will not go out. Please stay at your home. So, student, today it's my 6th number class. In my previous 5th class, I gave you 2 chapter. Already I gave you question answer, fill in the blanks, MCQ, everything, and gave you some homework also. Did you do this? If you don't, it will be not so good. If you do, it will be good. After opening our school, I will ask you, I will search you who did it. Understood? So, today I will start your new chapter. This chapter is very interesting to you, I hope. Can you guess what's the name of this chapter? Yes, the chapter name is the universe. Every student too much interested about this chapter because here we can learn about our earth, satellite, galaxy, solar system, astronaut, etc., etc. So maximum students want to be a scientist. That's why they liked this chapter. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn about all these things. So to a better understanding, you must have to follow me with your book. When I will tell you to follow this page, you will open this page and try to understand whatever I am saying. Understood? So student, let's go start our new chapter. Now student, this is your online class of class 4. Subject is elementary science and part 6. Your teacher's name is Soili Parvin, that means SPN. Now go to page number 56. The chapter name is the universe. Here I told you universe means Bengali meaning of universe is Mahabishwa. That means you know that we are living on the earth. We are living on the earth, and like earth there are many other planets. Total planets, earth is a planet, and like earth there are more 7 planets in the universe. So here follow me, look at the sky. What do you see? We may see sun and the cloud in day sky. We can see moon and star at night sky. So if you see in the day sky, what you can see? You can see sun and cloud. And if you see in the moon, you can see moon and many other stars in the night sky. 2 types of things you can see in different things, night and day. So here, but can you see same pattern of moon every night? No. Moon pattern is changing every day. Every day moon is changing. Sometimes it's a crescent in shape, sometimes in half circle, sometimes it's full moon. Different types of moon are there. Before the discussion, you must have to know what is moon. Moon is a satellite. Satellite means upagroho. A planet means groho. So, we are living on the earth, and this earth is the planet and moon is the satellite. That means planet কে রিভলভ করে, যেটা একটা স্পেসে প্ল্যানেটের যে অবজেক্টটা প্ল্যানেটকে রিভলভ করে, প্ল্যানেটের চারিদিকে ঘোরে, দ্যাট ইজ স্যাটেলাইট। যেমন সান হচ্ছে পৃথিবীর সব কিছুর উৎস, all the sources of everything, heat and power, heat and light. Sun gives us heat and light. So sun is the all source of this. If there is no sun, no living things can live here. So sun is the all power. So sun ke revolve করে আরো 8টা planet like earth. 8 planet revolve the sun. Sun is fixed in a place. Sometimes you can heard that sun সূর্য পৃথিবীর চারিদিকে ঘোরে. It's wrong. Sun is not moving. Earth is moving. Earth, Venus, Mercury, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, Jupiter, all these are the name of 8 planets, and all these 8 planets are revolving the sun. Sun is fixed in its place, but sun is moving in its own place, and for moving its own place, sun is taking 25 days. 25 ডেজে সান একবার ঘুরে তার নিজের অক্ষের উপর, কিন্তু when the all planets are revolving the sun, we don't know other planets name, we are discussing here about the earth. Earth is the only one planet where living things can live. Do you know that? Yes. And at first you have to know earth is the third planet. Earth is the third. I will come again, but here in your book they are discussing about moon. I am just saying about moon first, then I will discuss it later. Moon, what is moon? Moon is the satellite. Moon revolving the earth. Moon is not revolving the sun. Earth is revolving the sun. Moon is revolving the earth. So sun is a star which has light and heat. This is a star. Which has no light, that is planet. Clear? So sun has its own light and heat, so sun is a star. But planet, earth is a planet because earth has no light of its own, that's why earth is planet. And moon is the another object which revolve the earth, and it has also no power, no light. When we can see in night sky, we can see the moon is just brightening, but is its own color? No, moon is not moon's own light. Moon just borrow the light from the sun. Sunlight reflecting on the moon, then we can see that light from the earth. Here we can show you a picture. What is the moon? Look, the moon is a space object that move around the sun. It is a large space made of rock materials. Moon is made of by rock materials. Different types of rock materials are there in the moon. From the sun, from the earth, if you see moon, you can see some shaded, which is rock materials. And when it reflects, and it does not make the own light. Moon has no light of its own, but we can see light. How we can see the light? Yes, when it reflects the sunlight, we can see the moon. When the sunlight reflect on the moon, then we can see light from the earth. That's why we see that moon has its own light. Actually it's not. So from the earth we can see this mountain, hill and valleys on the moon with a telescope. Telescope is a powerful binocular. Telescope is a powerful binocular by which we can see this type of astrological things from the earth, and scientists are using this telescope to see everything to see from the earth. This telescope, by this telescope we can see that moon has valley, mountain, hill, rock material. By these things moon is made. Okay, now moon can change its shape, and we know that 1 month equals to 30 days. Moon can change its shape alternatively by 14 days. Every 14 days it can change its shape. Look, moon faces. Faces means we have face like us. Moon have also show its face. So when we observe the moon in the night sky, the moon's shape look like a little different every night. That means moon faces just changes in every day. Every day the moon seems big and round on some days. On other night it looks small and half round shape. It changing shape of the bright part of the moon, and we can see called the faces of the moon. When every night we can see the shape of the moon, changing shape of the moon, this is known as the faces of the moon. And there are 8 faces. Moon has moon have 8 faces of the moon. The faces repeats every 28 days. This phase repeat in every 28 days. Look, there is a picture and different shape of faces of moon are here. You just practice it. Okay. Next, I just want to show you a picture. Look, there is a sun, and I draw only one orbit. Orbit means a path, imaginary line. On it, the planets are moving or revolving or spinning the sun. So I just draw one path of Earth where we are living, and this is the Earth, and just beside of us is like a dot. It's a moon. This moon revolving the Earth. So Earth is planet, moon is satellite, and this round shape, this is the orbit or path of Earth on which the Earth is moving round the sun. And how can we see the light on moon? Just below this picture, see another picture here. There is an Earth, there is a sun, and little moon here. When sunlight, just which portion of the sunlight is falling on the moon, we can see that portion from the Earth. Then we can see when this is show half circle, then we can see half portion of sun, moon, and another portion is dark. When full light fall on the moon, then we can see full moon, round shape moon. So we can see round moon. In this way we can see the reflection of sunlight on the moon. Now page number 58. Look, the solar system. What is solar system? Solar system is the What is solar system? The solar system is made up of sun, all the planets that move around the sun, the other objects such as asteroid, comet, dust, and gas. A planet is a large object in space that moves around the sun. A planet does not produce light of its own. Our Earth is one of the planets of the solar system. The moon is the only satellite of the Earth. I told you before that we have 8 planets in a system, and in that system sun is the star, and only one star is present in one system. This system is known as solar system, where sun means solar. So in our system sun is star, so our system's name is solar system, and all other 8 planets are there. All planets are moving around the sun, and first planet which is very much close to the sun is Mercury, first planet which is too much close, and second one is Venus, third one is Earth, fourth one is March, Mongol, fifth one is Jupiter, bigger planet. Next one, Saturn. Saturn has a bolloid circle inside of it. And next one is Uranus. Last one is Neptune. And another last one planet was there, which name is Pluto. But Pluto is very small. Now is disappeared in this solar system. But sometimes it's come again. Sometimes it's going other places. So we will say that 8 planets are there. So sun is, what is sun? Sun is a star. Sun is made up of burning gas. So obviously it will be very hot. So Mercury, which is very much close to sun, obviously this planet will be hot. Second one, Venus, is also will be hot. And third one, which is not so hot, not so cold. That's why only living things can live there. Next one is March, which is far from the Earth, so temperature is less, so no animal can live there. But scientists are trying to identify that some animal can live here. Next one is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Next one, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. All these planets are so far from the sun, so sunlight cannot reach there. So all these planets are very much dark. They are covered with dense ice, very much cold, and temperature is below 200 250 30 minus. so no animal can live there. Only suitable planet is Earth. That's why every living thing can live on the Earth. Clear? So this is the system where 8 planets are present and Sun is only one star. This system is known as solar system. Clear to me? Now look, observing planet Venus. Venus is too much close to Sun. Look, third planet is Earth. First planet is Mercury. Second planet is Venus. So if we want, we can see Venus from our Earth in morning sky. We can see Venus in the sky either in the west in the evening, known as the evening star, and in the east before the sunrise, known as the morning star. Venus is the brightest planet in the solar system that we can observe. Venus is too close to Earth, so Venus we can see from the Earth in the morning, in the evening. Both time we can see. In the west we can see in the evening star, in the east we can see in the morning star. Our Venus obviously is very bright because it's close to sun. Understood? So for this brightness, the hotness, it can any animal cannot live here. Okay. Now go in next page, page number 59. Look, if you see in night sky, what can you see? You can see different stars, but very small, isn't it? But it's so far. That's why this is a small star are not so small. It's very big than the sun. Do you know? But we can see this star is very small. Why? Because this star are very far from us. That's why it looks very small. And now this small star sometimes make different pattern. Look, sometimes it horse, sometimes it's king, sometimes it's um, a soldier, different shape, and all this shape which is made by this star is known as constellation. Turn your page and you will understand it. Next page, summary. Look, stars. I told you before that a star has its own light, but planet has no lights of its own. A star is a huge ball of burning gases. Why a star is very bright? Because it made by burning gases that gives off light, heat, and other energy. All this give heat, light, and energy. The sun is a star of the solar system. In our solar system, sun is a star. Other stars looked so much smaller than the sun because they are farther away. I told you before that in the night sky we can see many stars, but all the stars are very small, but actually they are very big than the sun. But we can see very small because they are so far from us. Next point, there are numerous stars in the sky. We observe that a star form pattern in the night sky. I told you this star make a pattern. A pattern of this star shapes like sometimes it like animal, sometimes person or object is known as constellation. When stars make a pattern like animal or person or many other things, that is called constellation. Orion is such kind of constellation. Orion is the example of this type of constellation. Next one is galaxies. I told you that we are living in the solar system. Our planet Earth is remain in the solar system, and this type of solar system, crore, lakh solar system are present in another big system, and that big system is known as galaxy. Our solar system present in that system that is known as galaxy. So the sun and the planets and are the part of the solar system. The solar system is part of the huge large group called galaxy. A galaxy is a huge group of stars and system. The solar system is located in the Milky Way galaxy. That means our solar system is located in a galaxy. The galaxy name is Milky Way galaxy. Okay, remember it. The stars and the planets that you see at night are the Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy is like a spiral shape. Spiral shape. Understood? You can see in your figure this is spiral shape, and Milky Way galaxy is spiral in shape. Now, the universe. No one knows for how sure how big the universe is. Nobody can say how the big the universe is. The universe is made up of everything that exists, including galaxies, stars, planets, space, all others, and energy. There are billion of galaxies in the universe. Billion galaxies are there in the universe. Scientists believe that the universe is extending with the time. So scientists believe that this universe is day by day extending and is extending and expanding day by day. Okay, this is our chapter, and I think all of you understood it clearly, and if you don't ask me, I will explain it again, and many other things was there to explain. um, I will try my best in next class, and next class I will try to start your exercise and do solve this one. So student, please read this chapter properly, then I will ask you some question. I know that you can give me answer, but you are interested for this chapter, so obviously we will read this. Okay, so student, mm, up to this, bye bye everyone. Please stay safe, stay at your home. Good night.